Another form of technology that I like to use in my classroom is Kahoot. I enjoy using Kahoot because it has the kids be interactive and it helps me to see what they understand. Kahoot is a little quiz type of website where the students will be asked questions and they answer those questions on their computer screen. It's a fun little game for them. So with Kahoot, you can look up different Kahoots. So if you wanted to look up a Kahoot about Microsoft Word, you could look up Kahoots that other people have made. So you'll see this has 11 questions, 30 questions, 10 questions. So if I were to just click on the second one, you can preview before you play. So if I liked this one, what is the name of the icon? It shows a little icon. I can look through and see if I like this one, if this aligns with what we've been doing in our class. If it does, I can push, and I can either teach this, so it's a live game together where everybody in the class plays it at the same time, or I can assign this as an assignment where it's self-paced and the students answer the questions, more of like a quiz type of assignment. And this allows them to redo it if they didn't get a good grade. So sometimes I do the self-paced when I want them to do it on their own and I want to see what they know. Sometimes I do the teach. A lot of times, most of the times I do the teach because it's just a fun interactive game between the class and the kids get really competitive with it and they try to see if they can get first place. So I really enjoy using Kahoot. I can look up my previous Kahoots and reuse them. So like this one that I did over insurance, I can reuse these Kahoots. I can have a report so I can see how well people did on the different Kahoots that I've done so far. And I can also create a group. So this group is where I can share the content with maybe my business department or with other teachers at my school. So I do have a group called Southeast High School because that's where I am. And yeah, I really enjoy using Kahoot. The students really have fun with it and they get really competitive with Kahoot. It is a great resource to use as a quick little filler or to just check for understanding with the different students. It does not put their name up on the board unless they're in the top 3, so it's not telling them who got it right or wrong. It's just a fun little game for them to play as well as learn the content that you have for them.